Hi, I'm Bill from CJ Pony Parts. We originally installed Total Control Products bolt-in coilover conversion kit on our 70 Mach 1. Since then, we've tied the front suspension together better by installing their adjustable export brace and their adjustable Monty Carlo bar. Now we're going to tie those two products together by adding these additional truss braces we're going to install between the export brace brackets and the Monty Carlo bar itself. The tower truss support braces are going to require the use of the TCP export brace and their adjustable Monty Carlo bar. These pieces here are going to wrap around the Monty Carlo, and these are going to extend over to the shock towers themselves to tie all the pieces together. For this installation, we did a 3/8 ratchet, 7/32 Allen key, 5/16 Allen key, 3/4 wrench, and a 7/16 wrench. We're going to begin the truss brace installation by removing just one side of the Monty Carlo bar. We have to take the end off so the brackets for the truss brace can be slid over and we can mount them later. Since we have to remove the end, we'll take a quick measurement how many threads we have to the lock nut so we can put it exactly the same place it was before. Now we can install both brackets for the truss braces. What we're going to do is use a screwdriver, flathead, just push on that side to open them up a little bit, make it a little bit easier to slide them on. Now we can reattach our Monty Carlo bar. And reattach the nut and bolt to hold to the bracket and tighten that down. And don't forget to tighten down the lock nut. All right, now you can move on to the truss braces. Now we're going to assemble the truss braces themselves. If you look closely, you'll notice the one jam nut has a yellow zinc coating. That's the one that's going to be a left-hand thread. The standard one's going to be right-hand thread. Before we install it, we're going to put a dab of anti-seize on both of them. Just leave a little bit between the jam nut and the tube itself. All ready to install. Now we're ready to install the support rods. I mentioned earlier that one side had the zinc nut for the left-hand thread and the standard one on the other side. The zinc is going to go to the truss brace outside here. This is going to go to our shock tower plate. Put the shorter bolt through and install the nut. Then the longer bolt is going to go through the brace. Then install the nut and then tighten everything down. I will thread the lock nuts out to the rod. And tighten everything down. And repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. The Total Control Products truss support braces tie in perfectly with our Monty Carlo bar and our export brace, and are really going to tighten up the front end of our 70 Mach 1. They're also the easiest to install. It should take around half an hour, so we'll be back on the road in no time.